Hi, guys! Welcome to Best Product, where we explore the top 5 best foldable camping stove options to make your outdoor cooking easier, safer, and more enjoyable. From compact designs to powerful burners, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bighorn Foldable Camping Stove. The Bighorn Foldable Camping Stove is designed to bring efficiency, safety, and convenience to outdoor cooking. With its innovative bucket-style design, this portable butane stove folds into a compact size for easy storage and transport, making it an ideal companion for camping trips, hiking adventures, or emergency use. When fully extended, it provides secure support for pots and pans, enhancing your outdoor cooking experience. Equipped with a one-touch ignition mechanism, the stove offers precise flame control, allowing both low simmering and high heat cooking. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of recipes, from slow-cooked meals to quick boiling. Delivering a powerful 2200-watt, 7500 BTU output, the Bighorn stove ensures rapid heating. It can boil 1 liter of water in just 3 to 5 minutes, reducing wait times and ensuring hot meals are ready when you need them most. Built with durability in mind, the burner combines cast iron, copper, and aluminum for even heat distribution and long-lasting performance. Resistant to oxidation, it maintains efficiency even after extended use, making it a reliable tool for repeated outdoor adventures. Safety is a key feature of this stove. Certified by SGS for North America, it provides peace of mind during outdoor cooking. The cast iron trivet and non-slip pads create a stable base, minimizing risks and ensuring secure operation in varied environments. Next, at number 4, is the Cofiyard Foldable Camping Stove. The Cofiyard Foldable Camping Stove is designed to deliver convenience, versatility, and strength for outdoor adventures. Featuring a unique hexagonal symmetrical design, it folds neatly into a compact size and fits into the included carry bag, making it easy to store and transport when space is limited. Perfect for family cooking, the stove's well-spaced layout accommodates 2 10-inch frying pans at once, allowing meals to be prepared simultaneously with balanced heat distribution. Its dual burner design adds flexibility, enabling you to brew coffee on one side while frying or boiling on the other, creating a complete camp kitchen experience. With a total output of 17,000 BTU, the Cofiyard stove delivers powerful heat for everything from simmering sauces to searing steaks. Each burner is equipped with an independent control knob, ensuring precise flame adjustment and efficient propane usage. Compact yet capable, the stove folds down to just 9.5 by 9 by 4.6, small enough to fit into a backpack. This makes it ideal for backpacking, car camping, motorcycle trips, or spring outings, offering portability without sacrificing performance. The package includes the Cofiyard camping gas stove with 2 burners, a connector, woven carry bag, and user manual, backed by 1 year of support and 24/7 customer service. Ease of use is built into its design. Each burner has a built-in igniter, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. Setup takes less than a minute, and the removable stove rack makes cleaning simple after cooking. Constructed with a high-temperature-resistant steel body and corrosion-resistant stainless steel burners, the Cofiyard Foldable Camping Stove is built to last. While burners may naturally oxidize and darken after high-temperature use, the stove remains durable and reliable for countless outdoor meals. Coming in at number 3, we have the Naturehike Foldable Camping Stove. The Naturehike Foldable Camping Stove is designed to transform outdoor cooking into a seamless experience. With its versatile griddle and side burner, it allows you to prepare a wide range of foods, eggs, burgers, steak, bread, and vegetables, while brewing coffee at the same time. perfect for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor gathering. It brings the comfort of a full kitchen into the open air. Its folding structure ensures quick setup and easy maintenance. Major parts can be disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled effortlessly, making it practical for repeated use during extended trips. Compact and lightweight, the stove folds neatly into its carry bag, measuring 10.6 by 8.5 by 5.1 and weighing only 5.2 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. Despite its portability, it is built to handle demanding tasks. The two burners, crafted from rust-resistant and heat-resistant 430 stainless steel, are capable of supporting up to 11 pounds each and are fully compatible with propane cylinders. Cooking control is enhanced with stepless adjustment knobs and piezo ignition, allowing each burner to be lit independently and adjusted precisely. This ensures stable heat distribution and flexibility for different recipes, whether simmering or searing. Durability and safety are central to its design. The stove's matte frosted shell surface adds resilience, while its ETL certification guarantees compliance with strict global standards for electrical safety, performance, and reliability. Choosing this stove means choosing a product tested to prioritize both safety and satisfaction. The Naturehike Foldable Camping Stove combines portability, strength, and thoughtful engineering, making it an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts who want dependable performance wherever adventure takes them. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Odsd Foldable Camping Stove. The Odsd Foldable Camping Stove is designed to bring convenience, safety, and performance to every outdoor adventure. Its innovative magnetic closure ensures smooth and secure operation, saving time and effort when setting up in the wild. Cooking outdoors becomes safer and more reliable with the stove's windproof shield, which stabilizes the flame and prevents flare-ups. This thoughtful design also protects hands from hot oil splashes, making it a dependable choice for preparing meals in varied environments. Equipped with dual burners delivering up to 20,000 BTUs, the Odsd stove offers powerful heat for boiling, grilling, or frying. Each burner is independently adjustable, giving you precise control and flexibility to prepare multiple dishes at once. Despite its strength, the stove remains highly portable, folding down to just 10.63 by 9.06 by 5.12 inches and weighing only 3.98 pounds. It fits neatly into its durable carry bag. Whether for hiking, tailgating, camping, or emergency use, it combines compact size with reliable performance. Built to last, the stove features 304 stainless steel construction, rust-resistant burners, and a heat-proof shell. This ensures durability even after repeated use in challenging outdoor conditions. Adding to its versatility, the stove includes a coffee stand, making it easy to brew a fresh cup while cooking your favorite meals. The Odsd Foldable Camping Stove blends portability, safety, and power into one efficient design. From quick breakfasts to hearty dinners, it's a trusted companion for outdoor enthusiasts who want dependable cooking wherever their journey takes them. And finally, our top pick for the Ogery Foldable Camping Stove. The Ogery Foldable Camping Stove is designed to elevate outdoor meals with its smart features and durable build. At the heart of its design is a unique dual-function griddle offering two surfaces, a textured side perfect for grilling steaks and hot dogs, and a smooth side ideal for cooking eggs, cheese, and other delicate foods. This versatility makes it a must-have for campers who enjoy variety in their outdoor cooking. With a larger cooking surface, the stove accommodates two 10-inch pans at once, providing ample space for family meals or group gatherings. Whether preparing breakfast or dinner, it ensures you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously without compromise. Powerful performance comes from its dual burners, delivering a combined 10,000 BTUs for fast and efficient cooking. The push-button ignition eliminates the need for matches, while adjustable heat controls allow precise temperature management for everything from simmering sauces to searing meats. Despite its strength, the stove remains highly portable, folding down to just 10.2 by 9 by 3.5. It fits neatly into its convenient carrying bag, making it easy to transport for camping, hiking, tailgating, or any outdoor adventure. Built from durable stainless steel, the Ogery stove is simple to set up, use, and clean, ensuring hassle-free operation after a long day outdoors. Its combination of portability, efficiency, and thoughtful design makes it an essential piece of gear for anyone who loves cooking under the open sky. The Ogery Foldable Camping Stove blends versatility, compact design, and reliable performance, offering outdoor enthusiasts a dependable solution for creating memorable meals wherever their journey takes them. Before you head out, don't miss this. Check the price link in the description to grab the best deals. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more top picks and honest reviews. See you in the next one.